Suzuki, I understand you hold a position with the FDA. Can you tell me what that is?
Yes, Marty, that's correct. I'm currently a special government employee of the Food and Drug Administration. I'm on the Dental Products Advisory Panel and serve in this position until 2022. But I'd like it to be known that in no way am I representing the FDA in this current interview.
Thank you very much. I understand there was a recent announcement or statement from the FDA regarding metal as when used in implants. Educate me on what that was, please.
Sure. On November 13th and November 14th of 2019, just a few weeks ago, the FDA held an open hearing on immunological devices on metal products in the human body. The FDA particularly focused on three particular areas of interest and of concern. One are hip metal replacements. The second are IUDs. And the third are dental products that contain metal, such as dental implants, and it also included amalgams. This particular panel included up to 26 experts from around the United States holding various academic positions, and most had a background in immunology.
So you mentioned that dental implants was a part of that decision. Should that be concerning for dentists, or what does that mean specifically for dentists moving forward?
Specifically for clinical practicing dentists, there is no immediate concern. However, the specter of at least questions were raised regarding the potential effect of metal containing products that are used in dentistry. Some of them are dental implants, and currently there is no recommendations or no suggestions made out of that particular hearing that would impact today to a practicing dentist. With respect to amalgams, however, there was a revisit of the amalgam clinical use in dentistry today, and in my opinion, that particular result is going to be continuation of amalgam as one of the best restorative materials used in dentistry without fear of major side effects.
Okay. So in general, what is the FDA's role with medical devices?
The FDA has three major roles in both medical and dental devices, Marty. In particular, safety. Safety is the number one objective of FDA review of any product or pharmaceutical coming into the United States or being distributed. The second is efficacy. Does it work? And do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages of this particular product or pharmaceutical device? The third objective is manufacturing. Does the company or industry have good manufacturing practices? Is there good quality control? Is there built-in mechanisms that ensure that the product will continue to be manufactured at the highest quality?
What does it take then for a product to secure an FDA clearance?
Basically, a product needs to show that it's equivalent to a predicate device. And that means a device that's already approved or cleared on the market and sold in the United States. If there's a new product trying to enter that particular space, there need to be clinical trials and substantial evidence to indicate its clinical equivalence.
And why is the role of the FDA in this process important for a dentist and/or the patients that they treat?
A dentist practicing in the United States should always be governed by FDA cleared or FDA approved devices and products. A dentist should not use any off-label FDA used devices or products unless the patient is so informed. And there are some exceptions to that rule when dentists actually use a particular product that is not approved or cleared by the FDA, as long as the patient is cognizant of that particular, quote, shortcoming.
Okay. Thank you very much for being here.
Thank you, Marty.